Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You need an administrator account and at least one restore point. That's why you check now. Once ready, open Start and type. Create a restore point to access system properties. This is faster than digging through settings. Make sure system protection is enabled for your system drive because restore needs that snapshot history. Next, click the System Restore button to launch the guided wizard and move to choosing a restore point. Now you pick the restore point that returns your system to the desired state, choose by date and the event description so you undo the right change. Once chosen, click Scan for affected programs to see which apps or drivers will be removed or restored. This prevents surprises. After reviewing, confirm your selection and press Next. The wizard will summarize actions, and you'll click Finish to begin. This is when Windows commits to reverting system files and settings. Finish by allowing the restore to run. Windows will restart and show progress, so do not interrupt. Interruptions can leave the system unstable. Once completed, log in and verify the issue is gone. If not, you can undo the restore or try a different restore point. If system restore fails, boot into safe mode and rerun it because fewer drivers and services reduce conflicts. Make sure you keep backups of important files before any system-level restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.